致，发出耀眼的光芒。
Unlimited mind, closer distance. SANYA Motorcycle. Guangzhou SANYA Motorcycle Company Limited. Headquartered in beautiful and well-developed Guangzhou, China. Belongs to Guangzhou Zilong Group Limited. It specializes in R&D, manufacture and sale of motorcycles, engines and spare parts. The orderly office buildings and the modern workshops mark a flourishing enterprise. Since its establishment in 1999, in pursuit of the working style of "there are things one cannot think about, but there aren't things one cannot do," and insisting on steady development, Guangzhou SANYA Motorcycle has made brilliant achievements in the motorcycle industry over a decade of struggles. SANYA offers a full range of products. Celebrated for stable quality and fine workmanship, the products are available in more than 30 types, including the motorcycle series, ATV series, scooter series and moped series, with displacements from 50cc to 250cc. The products sell well at home and abroad and are widely recognized. Technology is the first productivity of enterprise. SANYA makes great efforts to build a leading R&D team in China and cooperates with the international top enterprises in technological research and development and quality assurance system in an all-round way, and continues to design the new products with independent property rights. Quality is the soul of enterprise, the foundation of enterprise development and the assurance of enterprise prosperity. SANYA people persistently aim at creating a world-class enterprise and making high-quality product. To strengthen product R&D, product inspection and process quality control, SANYA has invested much in purchasing a series of domestic and foreign advanced test equipments. The company is equipped with two modern complete assembling lines: engine assembling line, MST3 complete test line, and high-end equipments that make the high-quality products and optimize customer satisfaction. Based on the modern multi-level warehousing management system and the perfect logistic network, SANYA can quickly deliver its products to the world. Service transmits sincerity, carries forward the corporate philosophy, and extends the brand value unlimitedly. SANYA's service covers the whole process before, during and after sale, and a 24-hour hotline is available. The handy and progressing service has shortened the distance between the customers and SANYA. There are things one cannot think about, but there aren't things one cannot do. One will go as far as one's mind goes. SANYA adopts the marketing policy of setting up the brand image, providing the excellent service and winning the market end, so that SANYA's motorcycles can travel throughout the country and sell well in 47 countries, including Europe, South America, Middle East and Africa, etc. Stature determines mind and foresight. SANYA has developed the great mission of exploring potential and saving energy, innovation and environmental protection, saving more resources for the Earth and building a green Earth, protecting our environment and the Earth, and striving for the target of creating a world-class enterprise. Be a person with sense of mission. Be a noble-minded person. Be a team spirit person. Be an innovative person and be an ambitious person. The excellent corporate culture shortens the distance between the enterprise and the staff. SANYA insists on the personalized management mode of people orientation, gives the most sincere humane care to its staff, and enables them to become the corporate soul.
给我一双翅膀，我要追逐更美的梦想，让思想更远离，距离更近。
Only the deepest thought can go through the test of time. Only the most sincere dedication can shorten the distance between the souls. Unlimited mind, closer distance. Sanya Motorcycle.